You remove this part right here. And then you squeeze both sides. Then there's a little tab on the side of that letter L. Just push it in and remove the cover. What I usually do is just spray some of the disinfectant spray into that fan to kill all the germs and bacteria. Before you spray the disinfectant spray, make sure to turn the fan all the way on to high and turn on the recirculation. You need to make sure that the arrow is pointing down. The air is flowing from the top to the bottom. Put the glove box back on and make sure to squeeze both sides. And then reinstall the damper. That's it, all done. Very easy to do. Thanks for watching.